Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have two new Queen & Company kits to share with you today. I'm going to start with their Beach Bound kit. There's an information sheet that has all of the products included, and you'll also have 3 inspiration card samples. There's lots included in this kit. I'm going to start with the 6x6 paper pad. There are 24 sheets of double-sided papers, and I'll just flip through these really quickly. As with all Queen & Company paper pads, there's usually only 1 or 2 patterns that are specific to the theme. So this one has those cute little flip-flops, and there's also a fun surfboard pattern. So there that one is. And then the rest of them could be used all year round. The colors in this paper collection are bright and cheerful, and will work perfectly for masculine or feminine cards. So that's always nice. Next are the dies. There are a total of 13 steel dies, and you'll be able to assemble 6 different fun summer images. So there's the sun, there's some swimsuits, surfboard, I love this sandcastle, and there's also the bucket and shovel. Next up is the sentiment stamp set. This is 4 by 6 inches, and Queen & Company always has the best sentiment stamps. I love the fonts they use for their sentiments. Next are the foam pieces, so you can assemble your shaker cards. There's a total of 18, so you'll have 3 of each design. These pop out very easily. They have adhesive on both sides. You just have to remove the backing. And you can see how this lines up perfectly with the dies that are in the kit. Queen & Company shaker kits make it so easy to make darling shaker cards since everything is pre-cut and ready to go. So along with those foam pieces, you'll also receive 18 acetate covers. And these are already cut out and ready to go. I was trying to show this one. I had to catch the glare of my lights. So you can see how that lines up perfectly with the foam pieces. And then the final item included are the shaker toppings. There are a total of 7 bags. 6 of them are a clear bubble. They almost feel like glass. I don't think they are, but they have a little bit of weight to them. And then the last one has the color of sand, but it looks like tiny little stars or maybe crushed up shells. It works perfectly with a beach kit. So that was everything that was included in the Beach Bound kit. You can also buy a few add-ons. They have their 6x6 solid matte stack, and these colors match perfectly with the pattern paper. This is not cardstock. It has the same weight as pattern paper, but I love to have the solids along with that pattern paper. They're great for the shakers. You can have them for accents on your card, and since the colors all match perfectly, you don't have to go searching for a lot of extra cardstock. Both the solids and the Beach Bound pattern paper are sold individually. Another fun item, or I think it's a necessity, are the outline dies. So these are the same shapes as the kit. They just cut out the full image and not that frame, so it works nicely for the piece behind your shaker. And as always, you can buy more foam acetate refills and also the shaker toppings. The second kit I want to show is the Magic Sentiment Stacker Set. Now ignore the pink print on this sheet. I think they were just running out of ink. So here's the colors and what it actually looks like. There are 2 6x6 paper pads. In this kit you will receive the pattern paper along with the solids. So again, I'll just flip through these really quickly. I love the vibrant colors and fun patterns. There is just the one that has a specific pattern with the fireworks all over it. There's a couple with stars, but lots of stripes and polka dots. And then here are the solids, and you can see how they coordinate perfectly. And I'm trying to show there's one side of the paper has, like there's the red, and then the opposite side has another shade of red. So there really is a nice variety of colors within the one paper pad. Next up are the dies. There are 3 word dies and also the outline for each of those words. So you'll have a total of 6 dies. The first word is magic. There's also mouse and then goofy. These are a really good size. I think they're big enough to work well on a scrapbook page, but not too big to work on a card. And then there's also the sentiment stamp set. This is a 4 by 6 inch set, and all of the sentiments work well with those word dies. A couple of the stamps would work just fine without the dies, like the birthday wishes, but you can mix and match the sentiments and the dies so you can have a nice variety of different sentiments for your card or scrapbook pages. And here is one of the add-ons. This is brand new to Queen & Company. This is a 6 by 12 inch paper pad. It's the exact same pattern as the 6 by 6 size, but this is a larger size that would work well for scrapbooks if you like to scrapbook. I'm thinking this would work nicely to make slimline cards, since those are very popular right now. The designs aren't any larger, it's just a longer paper pad. I think this is going to be really fun to try. Now here's just another look at the Beach Bound kit and also the Magic Sentiment Stacker kit. My pictures really don't do the kits justice. They are both bright and vibrant, really cheerful kits. I do have links provided in the description box if you want to check out either of the kits or any of the add-ons that I showed. And if you stay tuned to my channel, coming soon I will be sharing cards that I made with both of the kits. Since it's still summertime, I think I'm going to start with the Beach Bound kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.